Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how to fix your Facebook profile has some issue. So first of all, if you are facing that problem, then you're going to have to tap onto your profile, then tap onto your name itself. Here, tap onto your dashboard, then here tap onto your name again, then select profile recommendation under about. If it's not recommendable, as you can see, it is showing green circle that says recommendable. If it's not saying recommendable, you will also see the exact problem that you might be having with your Facebook profile. For example, if you're having some problem with content, you're going to have to come back onto dashboard, then tap on content. Now, if a specific content is been flagged, then simply remove the content automatically. Next thing you could do is seek help from Facebook support. So tap onto your menu page, then expand this help and support button. As you do that, tap on report a problem, tap report problem again, and make sure that you simply take a screenshot of the problem that you're having so that Facebook might recognize the problem and could help you in many ways. So tap on include here. Now give any topic that is relatable with your problem itself. Now I'm gonna simply tap on, let's say, profile, and here simply type in your issue. Once done, tap on upload from phone and upload the screenshot, then tap on send. And wait for 2 to 3 business days until Facebook reaches out to you to simply custom solve your problem. This is how you get your problem fixed. Thank you for watching.